Hi there, it's Valeri Hall-Little, the business architect. It's 2018 and a brand new year is ahead of you and your business. Have you mapped out all your goals and maybe divided your annual goals into quarterly goals and then weekly goals? Maybe all of your goals are still in your head and you haven't had the opportunity to get them out yet and on paper. Well, I'm here to tell you that one thing that is even more important than writing down all your goals for the year and the quarter and the month is actually thinking about how you are going to achieve these goals. What needs to be in place for you to make things happen? How will you make these goals how will you breathe life into these goals? And what do you need around you to support you to make that happen, to make it the best year yet? Well, there's three areas in the grander scheme of things to think about. Those three areas are: what do you need? What does your team need? And number three is, what does your business need? So let me kind of break each down for you so you get a better idea of what I'm talking about. So what do you need as a person? Now you might be a solopreneur, or maybe you have a team around you, but you are really the engine and the hub and the driver of the business, of your business. So what do you need to support yourself? So you may say, well, to make my goals happen for this year, I need to get more sleep. I need to eat better. So in order to eat better, I need to have a meal plan or a nutritionist, or I might have pre-prepared meals delivered to my house so I can make sure that I am eating properly. You may need more focus time in your day or your week so you can really get clear on the important aspects of your business. So those are some ideas of what you need to propel your goals forward. Now, in terms of number two, your team. What does your team need? Perhaps your team needs more training. You may have brought in some new tools, technology tools into your business, and they need more training and more expertise. Perhaps they need more collaboration opportunities together, to come together, so that everyone's not sort of operating in silos. Perhaps they need more health and wellness opportunities or information. So you may want to think about that, maybe bringing in a health and wellness expert to talk about what they can do to be more focused and more energized through their day. So that's first, you. Second is your team. Number three is, what does your business need to make those goals happen in the year ahead? So it could be you might need new equipment, new hardware, new computer, new scanner, a new phone. There's all sorts of different opportunities there to make your business shine. It could be your business, maybe your office space is really cluttered and you need a day just to get things organized and make your space creative and clutter free. Perhaps you need a business retreat. So just really to get away from the business so you can clear your head and really see the path forward for your business. Perhaps your business needs more systems in it so that things are streamlined and workflow runs smoother and more efficiently. So those are three areas that I want you to think about when you are putting down your goals for the year. What are the support mechanisms that are needed to be in place to make those happen for you, your team, and your business? That's your homework this week and your next step to designing your business so it's built to soar. See you next time.